Please say you love me back. Please.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door.
And I would totally be with you if it weren't for Artie. Artie, I love him too. I don't want to hurt him. That's not right. I can't break up with him. Angry because I have all of these feelings for you that I'm afraid of dealing with. Because I'm afraid of dealing with the consequences. All I know is you blew me off. To be with Stubble's my kryptonite. It's fine. It's your loss. I know, but I'm just afraid of what everyone will say behind my back. Still, I have to accept it. And I love you.
It's not what you're hiding. They know that you're not being yourself. If you were to embrace all the awesomeness that you are, you're the one.
How do you know?
Because I voted for you. And because I believe in you, Santana.
What did you just say to her?
I said I thought you were great.
You're lying.
No, he literally just said that.
Did you tell her too? Everyone's gonna know now because of you.
The whole school already knows. And you know what? They don't
Not just
care.
the school, you idiot. Everyone. What are you talking about?
Ready for that type of public announcement.
I can't believe this is happening.
Suicide.
I haven't even told my parents yet.
I love you, Santana. I love you more than I've ever loved anyone else in this world. All I know about you and I is that because of that, I think anything's possible.
You're my best friend.
I love you too.
I finally understand what people are talking about when they talk about love. I have to just own it.